Hey, what's up guys, this is Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install my .files for Arch Linux for Hyprland. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to install the minimal Arch installation. So you can look up the Arch installation wiki, or you can follow my previous videos to install the minimal Arch installation. And after you have done that, boot into Arch Linux and connect to network using NMTUI. Now after connecting to the internet, you need to download Git if you haven't already. So type sudo pacman-s git to install the Git, and after that type git clone https github.com/sky/.files to clone my .files repository. Now after that, go into the .files folder by typing cd .files. Now if I type ls-la, you can see the list of files inside my .files. Now before installing, you need to modify the install.sh script. So type nano install.sh or vim if you have vim. Now here you have to set the username, so set your username instead of mine. Now this script will install the Hyprland, which is right here. So this section install the Hyprland utilities and Hyprland, and after that it will install the GNOME application. So if you want to use KDE applications, then replace it with KDE apps, and after that it will install the necessary fonts for my .files for Hyprland. After that it will go into the scripts directory and install the necessary scripts. So for example, if you want to directly log in into Hyprland without user input any password, then do not make any changes in these two files. But if you want to enter a password or use a display manager like SDDM or GDM, then you need to remove these two lines and install GDM or SDDM and enable that service. So that's it for that. And after that, if you want to enable AUR for your Arch Linux installation, then you can continue with this AUR.sh script. And this battery asset script, it sets the limit for Arch Linux installation to 80% of. And after that, this NTFS script enables to view NTFS drives without any password, and this ZSH script installs Z shell instead of normal bash, and this git.sh script modifies your GitHub username and email, and this gaming.sh installs Lutris, Wine, and necessary gaming drivers. So if you don't want this, you can remove this. And this programs.sh installs Node.js and Java. So if you are a developer, you can leave this on, but if you don't want it, just remove it. And this is some AUR packages which are required in this .files. So it will install some cursor themes, auto CPU frequency for my CPU power profiles, and some icons and fonts. Now it will remove the pre-configured .files for Hyprland and replace them with the .files of here. Now you can look up this script one by one by yourself and change anything you don't like. For example, this line will make a home directory and it will mount my Windows NTFS drives right there. So if you don't want this, then be sure to remove this line. And this scripts remove .files and the AUR files. So that's it for the script, and once you are done, make sure to save the script and exit, and you can launch the installation script by typing sh install.sh. Now it will download and install the Hyprland with my .files, and this can take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this. So as you can see, the installation is complete. Now you can type reboot and now you will directly log in and boot into the Hyprland desktop. So as you can see, this is the simple Hyprland setup. Now if you like this video, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.